Willet Science Center was built in 1966. Originally housed the departments of chemistry, biology, and physics. Due to a lot of growth in the STEM disciplines throughout the years and with the addition of the engineering program, it underwent a number of renovations, but ultimately we ran out of space. The new and renovated Willet will house the departments of psychology, computer science, and the College of Liberal Arts, our new athletic training program in the College of Health Professions, and environmental engineering. It was an extensive renovation. We literally took it down to the walls. So the facility has pretty much been rewired, replumbed, brought up to modern day code and standards. So we're very excited about the modern feel in a pretty historic building. It's one of the best utilization of spaces I've seen in a redesigned building. The thing that I really like is in the redesign, we developed a lot of space specifically for student congregation. So they can work together in groups 24/7. The building will be open for student utilization. And so we have pods on each floor where students can congregate, and we'll have tables and workstations and that sort of thing where everybody can just sit there and work together. And it's a great professor-student interaction environment too, so we're really looking forward to that.